Hello everyone! Today I will be talking about Amyl Guard, a carb-blocking supplement for weight loss that is making waves in the fitness community. Amyl Guard is designed to help you burn fat, control your appetite, and ultimately reach your weight loss goals. One of the key components of Amyl Guard is its ability to block the absorption of carbohydrates from your digestive system. This means that instead of being absorbed into the bloodstream, carbohydrates are stored as fat in your body. As a result, you may experience feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake, which can help you lose weight. But that's not all. Amyl Guard also contains other ingredients that can help boost your metabolism and increase your energy levels. This can support your overall weight loss journey and help you reach your goals faster. There are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to using Amyl Guard. First, be sure to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or currently taking any medications. In addition, it is recommended to follow the recommended dosage and to consult a health professional in case of any side effects. In conclusion, Amyl Guard is an effective weight loss blocker supplement that can help you burn fat, control your appetite, and reach your weight loss goals. As with any supplement, it is always best to consult a healthcare professional before starting and follow the recommended dosage and directions. Try Amyl Guard and experience the benefits for yourself.